Did you like it, Ishmi?
No, it tastes like baby diaper.
Hi everyone, this is Queen Sua. Welcome back to my channel. If you've seen me wear this outfit for a couple of videos, that's because I'm trying to record a couple of videos today since it's a little difficult for me to do it on other days. So in today's video, I wanted to do a unboxing with my beautiful niece Ishmi and my beautiful niece Shamai. So in this unboxing, it's from NatureBox. If you've never heard of NatureBox, it's basically a subscription box where you receive a box every month for a subscription fee. Now, what's different from these is that these are healthy snacks. So you're gonna be snacking on stuff that you really don't even have to worry about because they're healthy. I will say that we did receive these because we had extra credit. You can say, yeah, we had extra credit that we didn't use. So they ended up sending us a couple of items, and we did open these items. Well, my husband opened these items, and he did eat a couple of snacks. So the snacks that I will be showing you, they sent us 2 of each, if that makes sense. Did you understand me? Hope you did. Well, this is how it looked. These are the snacks that they sent us. As you can see, it comes with a list that I will be reading. Meanwhile, my niece, Shamai and Ishmi, can you guys take out the snacks? Okay, so they did send us Country Archer Sweet Jalapeno Jerky, Mini Belgian Waffles, Honey Dijon Pretzels, Salt and Vinegar Veggie Chips, Aged Cheddar Lentil Loops, Sharp Cheddar Cheese Crackers, and Jalapeno White Cheddar Popcorn. We will be giving you our honest opinion on these snacks. If we like them, we will let you know. If we don't like them, we will let you know. So we are gonna start with the Honey Dijon Pretzels. It does come in a pretty big package. It's a 5-ounce, and they come with resealable bags, so they'll stay fresh. And this is the way they look. And ready? Wait, what does it taste like? Let me smell.
It smells like garlic.
It does smell like garlic, but it smells pretty good, I think.
It tastes like pretzels.
What do you think?
It's like honey and it reminds me of pizza.
It tastes pretty good. I do have to say that one of them will fill your mouth up, so you're gonna take a while eating all of these. So do we give this a thumbs up, an okay, or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
I'll give it an okay. But the next one is the Jalapeno White Cheddar Popcorn, and my husband did go through these. So this is literally what's left of this bag. I guess my husband really liked it. They're Jalapeno White Cheddar Popcorn. My husband doesn't like spicy food, but if he ate this much, I guess because it's not that spicy. Oh my God, Levi, you left us all the crumbs. Hold on. Man, it show everything you left us, Libby. Can you see it? That's all he left us, but we can taste it. 1, 2, 3. Do you guys want more?
Mm-hmm.
It's spicy?
Yeah, it's kind of spicy.
You know what? It is a little bit spicy. And I eat spicy, so for my husband to eat, huh?
It tastes a lot like cheese.
Yeah. For my husband to eat almost all of them, I'm proud of you, honey.
Tastes like popcorn.
So the next item we are going to taste are the Mini Belgian Waffles. And it does come in a pack of 3.5 ounces, which is a pretty big size. It actually looks like a waffle, and it's supposed to be a crunchy, crispy waffle bite made in Belgium. So we are tasting something out of this country. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
It tastes like blueberry with waffles.
It tastes buttery as well. You like it?
That's good.
It's pretty good. It actually Reminds me a lot of a cookie, so pass over the milk.
Pass over the milk.
Mm. What do we give it? 1, 2, 3.
So good.
The next one is, let me go ahead and open all of these. Is aged cheddar lentil loops. So this is how the lentil loops look. Do you guys know what lentils are?
No.
No? You guys don't read the Bible? Remember that one guy, he sold his birthrights, right? For a plate of lentils. Whoops, I was about to eat it.
The pigtails.
Yeah, these look,
S for Shemai.
these look like little curly fries. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It tastes like Fritos with cheese.
It kind of reminds me of the chili cheese, what is it called? Chili cheese Fritos? But it doesn't have the chili taste, but you're so right. It does taste like Fritos with cheese. What do you guys give it? I give it I like it. I probably won't be able to eat the whole bag, but yeah, it was okay for you?
Yeah, it was kind of like plain.
Oh, it's definitely cheesy. No, the next snack is a salt and vinegar veggie chips. So I'm guessing they're gonna be like the Lay's salt and vinegars or the Pringles, but we shall see. Oh, okay, look. Has a bunch of colors.
Like munchies.
Different.
Yeah. different
Variety.
chips. Oh, what is this? Okay, so it does say that it has, the veggie chips are purple sweet potato and plantains. So, which one? Yours? And that's my sister in the background putting all those little props. Okay, ready? Oh, it does smell like vinegar.
Salt a lot.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
So hard.
You're gonna stick out your tooth. So mine tasted actually really good. It was a salt and vinegar. It does taste like salt and vinegar. What do you think?
Tastes like Pringles, the salt and vinegar ones.
Yeah, it does. The only thing, like you said, Shemai, that it was a little hard, so it is a little thicker. So the chip is not exactly like a Lay's where it's very thin. Did you like it, Ishmi?
No, it tastes like baby diaper.
Baby diaper? You tasted baby diaper before?
No.
So how do you know it tastes like baby diaper? Which one did you eat? Did you eat a purple one like me?
No, I ate this one right here.
A plantain? It smells like salt and vinegar, so this is the plantain. And you wanna taste it?
Okay. You didn't eat the banana.
That one tasted nasty, bro.
I told ya.
It does taste like, not that we've eaten baby diapers, but that, the clean baby diapers, oh, literally it's like a pañal.
It's like a gas fusion going inside your mouth.
Ew.
No, oh my god, it's like a wipey. It's like a wipey. Oh, that was gross. Taste it, Levi. Okay, so the purple sweet potato was good, but the other, the plantain, ugh. Okay, for the sweet potato, I would say I give it a thumbs up, and for the plantain, definitely thumbs down. Were you gagging? Can I record you? Oh my god. It's gross. You literally. But the next item. Oh, that horrible taste. The next item is the beef jerky sweet jalapeno. So to give it a justice review on it, I am gonna take a little sip because I have that taste. And they are gluten free for those
There, I taste
that
water.
that eat gluten free products.
Oh, I can smell it from here.
Yeah. I'm not too fond of the smell, but
It looks like dog food. And it
it
feels
actually
hard.
does.
It feels
So
hard.
this is how it looks, but then again, this is beef jerky, so they all look like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh. It's kind of spicy.
Mhm.
You definitely taste the spice. Definitely taste the spice. Holy moly. But it does, you can taste the sweetness to it. So you
This is-
taste the spice, you feel a punch, but then you feel like,
Sweet.
yeah, the smoothness over it.
It's like the spicy sweet chili from Doritos. The purple bag of Doritos.
And also tastes like jalapeno and sweet. Sweet.
It is a sweet and jalapeno beef jerky, but yeah. So this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed our honest opinions on this. I would have to say that we did select these snacks, but like I said, if you go to their website, you can choose. They have over 100 different variety of snacks. So, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye.
Bye.